Guys, in this video show you how to use DeepSeek on your mobile phone. So it's very easy. You have to create an account first, after downloading DeepSeek from App Store or Play Store. So I will let a link in description. If you don't know how to create an account, I will let a link of a video showing you how to create it. So after that, it will take you to this page. From here, you can chat with DeepSeek. So you can say anything. For example, here, write YouTube script about, I don't know, humor, or I don't know. And then he will generate it, as you can see. Yeah, so that's it. And right now, if you click here, you can add a new chat if you click here. And I will click again here, or for example, hey, yeah, if I click here again, I will add third chat. If I click here, I will find it here. And right now, when I click here and I click on my email, it will take me to this page where I can delete my account or delete all my chat or log out, change color of them or app language. Here, many languages are available. And right now, here is privacy policy, everything. And also from here you can search by photo or image or document. And that's it. The application of DeepSeek is very useful. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another tutorial.